welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, recently I'm making lots of videos on the iPhone SE2. Before 10 videos I've already made a video on iPhone SE2, and just basically on Instagram also I get lots of DMs of different people. If I add different polls to my story even, people are a lot excited about the iPhone SE2. Again, like I'm making lots of videos and everybody knows that we really don't know its launch date, when it's going to be coming. We are just on the basis of speculations, or we are just on the basis about the Apple's track record. But I just want to tell why people are so much excited about the iPhone SE. Well, the small, nice, cute form factor, right? And not just that, but what it represents is just nothing but its aesthetic looks. How it's going to be looking externally. Okay, everyone is familiar with the iOS interface. iOS 13 everyone can install now. Just everybody knows how the OS is, okay? And just if there's going to be a new camera, even that's going to be an aesthetic part, okay? That's going to be a hardware or the part which you can feel with your hands. So every person, believe me or not, but really cares about the phone's aesthetics. The iPhone SE is one of the, it looks a bit chunkier in cameras or photos, but in real life, it looks one of the slimmest device ever. So in today's video, I have with me a collection of lots of different concepts depicting how the iPhone SE will. So in today's video, no specification, no rumors, no release date, but just I want to tell that if you are excited so much for the iPhone SE2, well, these are going to be few of the examples, or these are few concepts which really make us feel pleasant, and these concepts only make us feel that yes, iPhone SE should come. So without any further ado, I'm very happy to share you these concepts. I got these concepts on internet and they really caught my eye. So you will also definitely like these concepts. So now let's see it. So why I showed in today's video the concepts of iPhone SE2, why no release date, rumor and everything, just because every person is excited for that. Even if you search, every day I search, I search on Google's trendings, that search history, I search for the category of iPhone in general most of the times. And just when I search, the number one search list which people are nowadays searching is for iPhone SE2 or an iPhone SE successor, and just basically everyone wants it, but there is not a lot of content on internet. In today's video, I would have gone and make our specifications and everything, but I've already made that kind of videos. And in today's video, I just wanted to show you different concepts that depict how the iPhone SE2 is going to be. So hope you liked today's video. In today's video, it was a little bit fun and entertaining. I showed you the rumors, or there are few people who have created this beautiful concept, including everything Apple Pro and broking and Benny and Skinner. There are lots of other people, but like Jose, I like today's video. If I like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to give a like to this video and also leave a comment that how was this video and do you want to see like this concept videos. Earlier when I started the channel, I uploaded lots of concept videos. So if you are still interested, let me know. I try to cover a bunch of concepts in today's video, and if you are interested in like this kind of videos, also leave a comment that should I make like this videos. Again, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.